Guys, enjoy this with some bread. But I promise you guys, back then in Cameroon, this used to go down so well with puff puff. Hello there beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare your own pap at home. I have a video here on the channel teaching on how to make your own pap from scratch. So I'm going to put a link above. So guys, after preparing my pap from scratch, I did tie it up in papers like this and I stored it in the freezer. So I had to remove the freeze, and this is the next step to take. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open. Place the content in a pot. I don't think I'm going to be using all of this, guys. This is too much. So after putting your pap in the pot, add some water to it. The quantity of water used will depend on the thickness you want to achieve at the end. Note that in the process of cooking your pap, it thickens up, and you may like to add any other thing from then. You can add milk, or if you want to leave it plain, you leave it plain and then you add your sugar and or honey. So our pap is well mixed with the water, and we're going to take it, place it on the stove and start cooking. Please do not leave your pap unattended. Once it's on the stove, you start stirring vigorously. So as you can see, our pap is thickening up. Stir vigorously. So we're going to add water at this point. The quantity of water added will depend on the thickness you want to achieve at the end. So stir. I'm going to be adding more water because I don't like it too thick. Stir. So at this point, we're going to allow our pap to boil up for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. So this is our honey. I'm going to drop some in the pap. So you can also add your milk at this stage. Stir. So guys, our pap is ready. So we're going to take this off from the stove and pour this in a bowl. Oh, see the way it drops. This is something, guys. Guys, enjoy this with some bread. But I promise you guys, back then in Cameroon, this used to go down so well with puff puff. Thank you guys for watching. Love and light your way. Bye bye.